So things were fine until 4th or 5th of April, but then lockdown happened. So the things were fine, but the lockdown again. Then the strict lockdown started from around something 15th of April, where everything was shut. But yeah, at least that's for good because the cases are decreasing. So लॉकडाउन में काफ़ी वज़न बढ़ रहा था, so started running. So yeah, I'll just go for a quick run or walk, whatever you want to say it, and I'll see you after that. Okay, आज का दिन थोड़ा मैं I'm going to walk today, so let's see how things goes. Okay, so this is how I go for a walk. I wear mask, my earphone and a hairband, and so now I'm gonna go, and I'm not gonna take you guys with me, okay, or else तुम लोग भी पतले हो जाओ. You understand? Yeah. So better you stay at home and I'll go. Okay? Bye. So, well, ये सब भाषण इसलिए था पहले वाला because today it's 29th of April 2021 and today it's my 25th birthday. Since last 2 years, since last 2 years, but since last year and this year also, I'm celebrating it at my place and I have nowhere to go. I also planned to go out with my friend Azhar to Dubai maybe. I was just planning to go maybe this week. We should have gone, but things didn't work out well actually. So अच्छा हुआ नहीं गए because this week they have stopped. I think so this week or from past week they have stopped all the flights from India. They have stopped the flights from India, I guess, Dubai. So whatever happens for a good reason. Birthday में पोपट हो गया मेरा. So yeah, here I am celebrating this birthday in lockdown yet again. Nothing's working out. I'm not okay. To be honest, I gave so many takes. I was trying to say something, but I don't understand. ये क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Maybe I forgot. Did I forget? Did I forget how to vlog? I don't know, guys. Something is going very strange with me, I guess. I guess ये बुढ़ापा है. 25 साल का बुढ़ापा, I guess. Don't you think? So if someone comes and asks me that, Mike, what have you learned from your 25 years of span time? Okay, so I would say that the only thing which was constant over the span of my 25 years was constantly some or the other problems were coming in, which is pretty obvious. Everyone have their problems, right? But the only thing which I have learned from this 25 years is to not get stressed of the problem, because problem is inevitable, to be honest. It is going to come some or the other way. If you solve one, the another one is ready to hop in your life. Okay, so it gets very important that you don't get too much stressed, and rather than getting stressed, you should probably find a solution for that. It is very easy to say so, but when you are actually in the situation, it gets very difficult for you to do it. But it is very important. Just calm yourself, calm down your mind, and then think of the solution to that. It's very important you do that. So I would say yes, this is what I have learned all these 25 years. And I think so, yes, obviously I'm not the right person to say and suggest you anything, but this is what I feel and what I have gone through all this years, and I'm just sharing it with you guys. So yeah, this is what my day is going. मैं भाषण दे रहा हूँ तुम लोग को यार, क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? Yeah, this is very important. Why? Because maybe sometime, even if I am watching this video, or even if you are watching the video and you're probably stressed about something, so this might give you some positive vibes out of it, and you'll be like, damn, अभी मुझे मिल गया, अभी मैं शांत होके I'll find a solution to it. I hope it works at least for one. तो वो मेरा नर्क में जाना थोड़ा कम हो जाएगा, you know. It's currently 9:32 and wait, let me check whether I can see it or not. So currently it's 9:52. I'm going to start working. Actually, I took leave for today, but I had some important meetings to attend. So सोचा था खाली मीटिंग करके एंड कर दूंगा डे, बट आई डोंट थिंक सो वो हो पाएगा. बट आई ट्राई माई बेस्ट. वैसे भी इतना कुछ ग्रेट नहीं है. लाइक काम करना है बेटर है, और एल्स जस्ट बैठे कंटाल जाऊंगा मैं. सो इट्स बेटर आई वर्क. सो या, सो फार इट्स गोइंग गुड. Okay, so it's another day because कल बहुत hectic day था because I was working 5 to 6 hours. My meeting went and after that my sister came, so उसके साथ पूरा दिन बातें करने and थोड़ा बहुत काम करने के चक्कर में सब बहुत ही हेक्टिक डे हो गया. मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि इतना हेक्टिक डे जाएगा मेरा. आई थॉट वही रेगुलर सा मंडेन सा डे रहेगा, बट नो. But I'm working right now, as you can see here. And yeah, I'm okay. You can see I'm also connected. I'm just connecting to one of the meeting also right now. So after this I will talk to you again about how many gifts I received yesterday and how amazing I felt receiving all those gifts and by cutting the cake. Okay, I'll see you.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space.
So yesterday was actually a really fun day because I got so many gifts from my friends. Yeah, it was a really good feeling to have so many gifts. Family, I celebrated my birthday with my family yesterday, and yeah, I cut my cake with them, and my sister came, so I was really happy to see her here as I was missing her since quite some time. That's how I spent, which was very unexpected because I was thinking कि यही वो basic सा last year जैसा birthday जाएगा, nothing really great will happen. Thank you so much everyone who have wished me on my Instagram, on my WhatsApp, or anywhere you have wished me. I really appreciate your efforts. So few days back I made this video for my future self. So this is a special video from myself to myself, basically my present self to the future self. And yeah, it's a really special video I have made just for you, Mayank. So yeah, you better be watching this video. At least you watch the video full, okay? Yeah. Dear future self, today is 24th of April 2021 and you are turning 25 in next 4 days. It's sad that you didn't do anything special this year, but it's alright because you know how tough the times are. Hope you are doing great and you have probably stopped overthinking. Oh, wait. No, I don't think so. You have stopped overthinking, but at least you can try to. Hope you are currently really happy with whatever you are and whatever you are going through. Like things would be better compared to what it was earlier. So whenever you feel that nothing's going right, just look back and think how tough the times were and still you were there, pushing yourself ahead to move and do things which no one can stop you from doing. I also hope that the world would be back to normal by then. I mean, not really back to normal, but better than this year like 2020 and 2021 was. And did you buy a new Apple product again this year? Well, congratulations on that. I really hope you found someone and you're very happy to have her in your life. A piece of advice from a 25-year-old self, Mayank. You have a very good potential to become something big in your life. I've seen you struggling, I've seen you crying, but I have never seen you giving up. So if you're still working in a company and don't have your own, then you better start brainstorming and do something on that. Because if you don't do it for yourself, then no one will do it for you. Also, before going, just one more thing. Just one thing I would like to tell you, if you don't realize it yourself, but I really love you, Mayank. And thank you for being so good to me till this point, okay? Thank you so much. So well, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really hope you like my video. If you like it for whatever reason, hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, by the way, the mug from which I am having my coffee right now is also a gift from my friend. So yeah, I'm really happy to get all the gifts Thank you so much. That's what my 25th birthday. Alright then. Thank you so much for watching this video again. And yeah, stay safe. Wash your hands. Wear mask and don't go out unless if it's extremely necessary. Okay. Thank you so much, and I see you in the next one.
Because I'm happy. Clap along if you